Spray the back. We're exposing more of the board. Now I already did some of I already sprayed some of this stuff on the front, so we can do it on the back now. Bam. This stuff really smells like alcohol. So, what's next? Bam. Okay? See, I'm doing this because I just want to be thorough. That's why I'm doing it like this. Take out other pieces. Boom. Does this come up? No, that's in there. Can we get some? Yep. Gotta pull the power supply out. Do that with my other hand. Wiggling it just a little. Boom. Now we're all good. What's next? Once again, spraying it down. We just got the dust off. Spraying it down. Even good for the connectors. Okay? Now, what we're going to do, let it set. Again. Let's say that again. Let it sit. Okay? Also have a couple of other things to show you. Glass cleaner. Yes, surface glass cleaner. I use this. This is going to be on the front. Okay? When we're all said and done, we're going to use this last. This, yes, I bought the cheap stuff. Rubbing alcohol. What am I going to do with this? Been having problems with my floppy drive. 9 times out of 10, there's something in there. I'm going to show you how to repair the floppy drive too. Okay? So let's go ahead and get that done. Now, while I'm waiting for that other stuff to set, we're going to move this bad boy out the way. By the way, this is cold. Move this bad boy out of the way. And just to be crazy and real silly, I'm going to show you my floppy disk. Yes, an official Ensoniq floppy. Yes. Let's get close, let's get close, let's get close. Yes. Let's flip it over. You like that, right? I know, I know. I know. OS 3.53. Yes. Okay. Now what I can see from the floppy drive is that there's a screw here. There's another screw in here. There's another screw in here and in here. That's the reason why you buy a kit. Like a kit is important for a couple of reasons here. Let's slowly remove that. Bam. One of these. I got this kit from Tiger Direct. Alright. Yes, I mess with Tiger Direct. Actually, I mess with them pretty hard. I fucks with them. That's my company. The kit is good for this. For other screws. See all these tools in here? This is the type of stuff you need. This cost me like $30 something, I think. This is exactly what you need. You don't have to have nothing else when you have a piece like this. So let's get these screws out for this floppy drive. It's a little difficult, but it's all good. We want this floppy drive out, because while that's setting, like I said, Could be doing something else. See, I like this. I like the fact that they're tight. It lets me know that they've been sitting there for a while. Like, because they're that tight and they're really, really tight, that lets me know that I might be the first person in this machine. You know, everything still looks brand new, you know, which is kind of odd for these type of machines. This machine was made, what, 91, 92. See, that last screw is in this hole. See it? It's in there. And then there's another one. You kind of have to angle. There it is. Yeah. So those are the last two screws. This is where one of those issues, you kind of have to be careful how you take it out. You don't really want to lose these screws. Yeah, boy. There we go. Now, a pair of tweezers would work great right now. A pair of tweezers would be the perfect thing. Do I have a pair of tweezers? Probably not. Am I going to look for a pair? Hell yes. Here's my bucket of random stuff sometimes, and as it gets as like my wallet's in there. So let's see, got anything? Nope, I don't see a pair of tweezers, but we do have something that looks like scissors. Whatever it is, you want, so a pair of tweezers are in here. Every now and then you might need a pair of tweezers. That's why I try to keep a pair around, just for such an occasion. And yes, my wallet is beat up. Quit asking me about it. Okay. Yeah, I probably could have grabbed that one with my hand. But see, I got these big jumbo type fingers, so sometimes certain things just does not work out. Let's see here. See, that screw is really in there. So I'm trying to take my time. Crap. Is it giving me a problem? Yeah. Do I care? Not really. Because I'm going to get it out. And there it is. Came right on out right after I figured something to do. Bam. I realized this entire time I'm still wearing the anti-static my anti-static wristband the entire time. So because these screws are a different color than the screws I was using for the breadboards and things like that, put them somewhere different. Why? Like I said, you want to kind of keep everything separate so you know where everything's at. So now let's unattach that. Feel that? Okay, let's see about pulling it backwards. See if it'll come out. Yes, it's coming. It's coming. Ooh, it's been such a long time with this machine. There's even Sony. Just wanted to show you that. I found that funny.